Mr. Big Stuff singer Jane Knight passed away at age 80. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jane Knight, a New Orleans-born singer known for her 1971 hit song Mr. Big Stuff, has passed away at age 80. Family, friends, fans, and veterans of the music world mourn the loss of a Grammy-nominated singer who was considered a musical powerhouse and an integral part of New Orleans' cultural legacy. Passed away on Wednesday of natural causes in Tampa, Florida, where she was living, according to a family representative. Jane's Knight legacy is not just a musical one. It is a testament to the enduring love between an artist and her hometown and the fans who adored her, the singer's family said in a statement. Knight got her start by singing in her cousin's New Orleans bar shortly after graduating from high school. In the early 70s, she recorded Mr. Big Stuff, a sassy and soulful chart-topping anthem that became known for its infectious refrain of "Who do you think you are?" The song reached #1 on the Billboard R&B chart and #2 on the Billboard 200 chart, earning Knight a Grammy nomination for Best Female R&B Vocal Performance in 1972. Stax Museum of American Soul Music said in a news release that Knight was Stax record top-selling female. Following the success of Mr. Big Stuff, Knight went on to record several more albums, including ones that featured Don't Mess With, My Toot Toot, and Bill, and formed her own record label, Comstar. Knight spent years touring and performing locally, both on large festival stages and in more intimate French Quarter venues. A number of individuals have took to social media just in order to express their sincere condolences to her family and friends. And we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences as well. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.